Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to remove Volvo S60 headlight full guide. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal immediately. Gather basic tools: a ratchet, Torx bits, flat pry tool, and a small extension. Work in a well-lit area and keep fasteners organized to avoid losing them. Take photos as you go to make reassembly easier and less stressful. Before you start, lay out tools and clear a workspace near the car. Remove the wheel well liner fasteners if needed to access lower headlight bolts. Loosen hood latch and prop hood open so you have room to work safely. Keep a flashlight or work light handy to inspect hidden fasteners. If clips resist, use a trim tool to prevent breaks and keep replacement clips on hand just in case. Start by removing visible screws and upper mount bolts while supporting the headlight with one hand. Access lower bolts through the wheel well or undercarriage if necessary and remove them next. Disconnect the multi-pin electrical connector and twist out bulbs or ballast connectors before attempting to remove the unit. Gently wiggle and pull the headlight assembly straight out to avoid snagging tabs. Set the unit on a soft surface to prevent scratches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.